Hello, this is Elliot from Victory Charts, and I'm here to show you the VC Swing Trader Indicator Pack. The VC Swing Trader Indicator Pack works well on both intraday timeframes and longer-term timeframes. These trades can be held for hours, days, or even weeks if that is what fits your trading style. The VC Swing Trader Pack provides you with all the tools ready to begin trading. It works well for futures, options, and Forex. The Swing Trader Pack uses the same trend filter as the Trend Trader Pack. The entry indicator is based on the markets contracting and expanding. The entry indicator enables you to enter the market before a big move happens and it is too late. The main idea is to enter the market before the big move happens while prices are in value zones. Markets go through periods of contraction and expansion. All we want to do is get in on a contraction phase and then sell into the expansion phase. So here's our indicator breakdown. The VC trend map defines the overall trend of the market. VC Trend Map radar screen helps to scan all your favorite stocks, futures, or Forex markets simultaneously for which markets are trending. The VC Volatility Breakout. This is the entry signal that helps get into the big moves during contraction. VC Volatility Radar Screen. This helps scan for these setups. VC Volume Average. This is our proprietary volume analysis indicator that can provide great context for buying and selling strength. VC Trend Bar. This is a trend smoothing indicator that can help you stay in the majority of the big move. And lastly, the VC Linear Regression Channel. This provides trend context and gives a statistical reference point for price action. So here we can see the trend map in action. Dark red showing a minor downtrend in place, which transitions into a strong downtrend, and we can see the slope is slightly steeper. White shows no trend. Dark green shows a transition into a minor uptrend, and green shows that it has entered a strong uptrend. So here we can see the trend map in radar screen. It shows you easy to understand language, and you can see which markets are trending at a glance. So we have 5 examples. We have uptrend, minor downtrend, downtrend, minor uptrend, and a neutral trend. And you can see that it is reflected here in the chart. Now you can watch multiple symbols and know what trends are taking place without having to flip through every chart. The volatility breakout setup can be seen here on multiple times on the chart. The red dots signal when there is a contraction phase. So you can see all these different setups. When the dots go from red to green, it signals the trade has broken out. When momentum is increasing in the direction of the trade, it will be either green for an uptrend or red for a downtrend. When the momentum is decreasing, it will turn white. So here you can see the downtrend, momentum is red, and now we can see momentum coming out of the trade and it turns white. So here we can see the VC volatility breakout on radar screen. We can see trade setup long for Amazon on an intraday chart right here, and it's green so it's easy to see. We can see the red dot signaling a potential breakout is coming, and the momentum is green and above zero, giving the trade an upward bias. See that right there. Here we see a trade in progress for Netflix. The setup showed up about 2 weeks ago, and a massive breakout occurred. See the red dots there, and a nice up move occurred. We can see VC volatility or volume here in action. Volume shows white for a transition from buying to a neutral. And you can see that here the market topped out when the volume went neutral, showing that there was no more buyers at these levels. Here's another example. The peak of this move was actually white volume, and we can see that there is no more buying and the market promptly sold off. Here we have the VC trend bar, which provides great context and helps you stay in a big move. As you can see, this last one was a really big move in crude oil. The trend bars remain red all the way down for the move. All the short entries here signaled by red bars show good trades. Here we can see the VC linear regression channel. We have the 30-year bond futures, and we see that they seem to favor an upward bias according to the VC channel. The blue lines represent the 2 standard deviation levels, and the red represent the 1 standard deviation levels. So now tying it all together, we have all of our indicators. We can see they all work together, and radar screen is to the right, and it shows a potential setup for MANH. You can see that up there. We have trade setup long in an uptrend. So this is a textbook setup. We have a trade signal by our volatility breakout and our trend map, and we have green bars. And you can see it was found right here at a glance on radar screen. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.